and see if we can remember some concepts. And that's the essence of a test to see if you understand what we spoke about. All right, so let's look at the quiz questions. I think we are currently 5 on the call. So I'll use our initials to call our names. So, okay, sorry, we are 4, including myself. I have AA, I have AO, I have EO, then I have TT. So you understand your acronyms or the initials of your names. So we'll go through the test and see if we got the concept on sustainability. All right, so you just read out the options that resonate with you, and I'll write down the options you picked. Okay, so let's go through number 1. Question 1 says, which of the following best describes sustainability in business? A says, focusing on only maximizing short-term profit. B, meeting present needs without compromising future generations' ability to meet theirs. C, reducing costs by cutting employee benefits. D, ignoring environmental and social concerns. Which of the following best describes sustainability in business? All right, AA, what's your pick?
B, sir.
Okay. AO, what's your pick?
B also.
Okay. EO, what's your pick? Hello, is EO there? You are muted if you are speaking, EO. Okay. Let's go for TT, maybe when she comes back. TT, what's your pick?
Morning, sir. B.
Okay, good morning. B. Morning, nice to have you. All right, everybody went for B. We'll see on Judgment Day. Number 2, professional accountants play a pivotal role in sustainability, mainly because A, they only prepare tax computations for company. B, they can ensure credibility and reliability of sustainability reporting. C, they are responsible for enforcing environmental laws directly. B, they determine government climate policy. Professional accountants play a vital role in sustainability, mainly because, all right, AA, what's your pick?
B, sir.
Okay, B. AO, what's your pick?
B also.
Sorry, the question. Okay, I'll finish. Sorry.
Okay. The question states professional accountants play a vital role in sustainability, mainly because A, they only prepare tax computations for companies. B, they can ensure credibility and reliability of sustainability reporting. C, they are responsible for enforcing environmental laws directly. D, they determine government climate policy. So AO and AA have made their pick. EO, are you here now? Is EO with us? Oh, okay. I can see SJ and OO on the call. Okay, so let me add SJ to the test. SJ and OO. All right. So TT, what did you pick for question 2? What's your option for question 2?
B.
Sorry, I'm around.
Oh, okay. EO is around now. All right. So please, let's permit them. I guess they had network issues. So let's go back to number 1 for EO, for SG, and for O. All right. So question 1, we've treated it, but then for the benefit of those that just came on the call. Which of the following best describes sustainability in Nigeria? A, focusing only on maximizing short-term profit. B, meeting present needs without compromising future generations' ability to meet theirs. C, reducing cost by cutting employee benefits. D, ignoring environmental and social concerns. Okay, so EO, what's your pick?
B.
Okay, EO is going for the same B. All right, SG, what's your pick? SG, are you there? If you're speaking, you are muted. Okay, let's hold on for SJ. What's your pick for question
B.
1?
B.
Okay, B2. All right. Okay. So SJ, please let's know if you are taking an option so that we can add that. Okay, so let's go to question 2 for those that just joined. Professional accountants play a vital role in sustainability mainly because A, they only prepare tax computations for companies. B, they can ensure credibility and reliability of sustainability reporting. C, they are responsible for enforcing environmental laws directly. D, they determine government climate policies. Professional accountants play a vital role in sustainability mainly because. All right, EO, what's your pick?
B.
Yeah, EO is going for the same B. All right, OO, what's your pick?
B, sir. B.
B2. Okay. SJ, are you there? Can you hear us? Okay. Maybe SJ is struggling to mute or having network issues. Okay, let's go. Question 3. Under Nigeria's International Sustainability Standards Board adoption roadmap, mandatory sustainability reporting for public interest entities begins A, January 1st, 2024, B, January 1st, 2027, C, January 1st, 2028, D, January 1st, 2030. Under Nigeria's ISSB adoption roadmap, mandatory sustainability reporting for public interest entities begins. Okay, so let's start with AA. AA, what's your pick? I know
C.
this question. Okay, C. I know this question. A lot of people are not paying attention to the class. So let's see if we're paying attention. All right, AO, what's your
C.
pick? Okay, C too. Okay. EO, what's your pick?
I don't know, but I can go for Asia.
That means you were not paying attention to the class. All right. SG, are you there now? Okay. SG is still not with us. All right. TT, what's your pick for question 3? Excuse me.
C.
C. Okay. Again for C. OO, what's your pick?
C, sir.
Okay. Are you sure? EO, you are the only black sheep on this question. Are you sure you don't want to change your option or you want to stick to your A? Everybody is going for C.
I don't
Only
see it
you.
that way. I don't see it
Okay.
that way.
All right. We'll see on Judgment Day who is correct. Let's leave it like that. Okay. That's good. Question 4. Which of the following is an example of a transition relief allowed under IFRS S1 stroke S2 in Nigeria? A. Entities can permanently exclude climate disclosures. B. Entities may disclose only climate-related risks in their first year. C. Entities are exempted from publishing sustainability reports. D. Entities may delay reporting until 2035. Which of the following is an example of a transition relief allowed under IFRS S1 and S2 in Nigeria? Okay, so let's start with AA. AA, what's your pick?
I'm still looking at it. I'm trying to.
I'm trying to remember what we spoke about. Okay, let's go. AO. AO, do you have a pick or you're still looking at it?
B.
Okay, AO is going for B. All right.
No, that's EO actually. It was EO that
that picked B.
responded.
Okay, EO picked B.
Yeah.
All right. AO, what's your pick or you're still thinking too?
I won't lie to you. I'm thinking. But it looks like B, Sha.
Excuse me.
It looks like B, Sha.
Okay. But looks like it's not your answer. Is that your final answer?
Yeah.
Okay, let's allow you to think. TT, what's your answer? What's your pick?
I'll go with B.
The TT is going with B. All right. SG, are you there? We have not heard from you today, SG. Okay, let's go. Oh, what's your pick?
I picked B, sir. B.
Okay, oh is going for B.
Second one, B.
All right, let's go back to AA. AA, have you?
I'll go for B.
Okay, AA is going for B. I think it's a predominant B selection. All right, AO, have you finally
B.
decided?
B,
Okay,
B. I'm
going
more
for B.
confident now.
All right, everybody is going for B. Okay, we'll see on Judgment Day. And finally, one of the mandatory climate-related metrics that entities must disclose under ISSB standard in Nigeria is A, dividend payout ratio, B, greenhouse gas emissions, scope 1 to 3, C, board members' year of service, D, customer satisfaction index. One of the mandatory climate-related metrics that entities must disclose under ISSB standard in Nigeria is, all right, AO, let's start with you.
B.
Okay, that's not AO. That should be EO or OO or AO.
Oh, you said AO. AO is me.
Okay,
I said B.
AO.
Okay, B.
All right, EO2 is B. So AA, what's your pick?
It's B, sir.
All right, B. Then SG, are you there? SG is not with us today. Okay, TT, what's your pick? TT is still thinking. TT, are you there?
Hello, sir. Sorry, I thought I was muted.
Muted, okay. All right. What's your pick for
One of
question 5? Huh?
must disclose under it. That's greenhouse gas emission.
Okay, B. Okay, you're going for B too. All right. OO, what's your pick?
B, sir. B.
All right, B. Okay, virtually everybody picked B, option 4 and option 5. Okay, I'm hearing SJ. SJ, are you with us now?
Yes, I'm with you, sir.
Okay.
Okay.
All right. So we may have to give you this short time now. You are not on the call from beginning to the end. Okay, so you will run through question 1 to 5 because we are keeping others waiting. Okay, so question 1, we are going through tests to see if you understand or we all understood the concept of sustainability. Number 1, you have to be fast. Reads, which of the following best describes sustainability in Nigeria? A, focusing only on maximizing short-term profit. B, meeting present needs without compromising future generations' ability to meet theirs. C, reducing cost by cutting employee benefits. D, ignoring environmental and social concerns. What's your pick for question 1?
B.
Okay, you picked B.
B.
Good. All right, question 2. Professional accountants play a vital role in sustainability, mainly because A, they only prepare tax computations for companies. B, they can ensure credibility and reliability of sustainability reporting. C, they are responsible for enforcing environmental laws directly. D, they determine government climate policies.
B.
What's your pick?
B, sir.
B too. All right. Number 3, under Nigeria's ISSB adoption roadmap, mandatory sustainability reporting for public interest entities begins A, January 1st, 2024, B, January 1st, 2027, C, January 1st, 2028, D, January 1st, 2030. What's your pick?
A, sir.
A, okay.
A, sir.
A, all right. Question 4, which of the following is an example of transition relief allowed under IFRS S1 and S2 in Nigeria? A, entities can permanently exclude climate disclosures. B, entities may disclose only climate-related risks in their first year. C, entities are exempt from publishing sustainability reports. D, entities may delay reporting until 2035.
B, sir.
B, okay, that's your pick. Finally, one of the mandatory climate-related metrics that entities must disclose under ISSB standards in Nigeria is A, dividend payout ratio, B, greenhouse gas emissions, C, board members' year of service, D, customer satisfaction index.
B, sir.
B, okay, good, that was fast. Okay, so let's rush through our answers now and see if we got them. Number one, which of the following best describes sustainability in Nigeria? The answer is B. Good. Everybody got that. And the explanation is that meeting present needs without compromising future generations' ability to meet theirs. So this is correct. This is the wide acceptable definition of sustainability. Good. Number two, professional accountants play a vital role in sustainability, mainly because, okay, the answer is B. Everybody got it. They can ensure credibility and reliability of sustainability reporting. This is correct because accountants bring assurance, accuracy, and comparability to sustainability reports. Good one. Number three, under Nigeria's ISSB adoption roadmap, mandatory sustainability reporting for PIEs begins. The answer is C. So AO got it, AA got it, EO failed it, SJ failed it. So TT got it and OO got it. So the answer is C, January 1st, 2028. And that's correct because mandatory adoption for PIEs starts with accounting periods beginning or after this date. So A is wrong. January 1st, 2024 is incorrect. January 2024 was for early adopters only. All right, so good tries. Question 4. Which of the following is an example of a transition relief allowed under IFRS S1 and S2 in Nigeria? So everybody got it. B. Entities may disclose only climate-related risk in their first year. This is correct because climate first reporting is a transition relief under IFRS S1. So good one. Everybody got that from the class. Finally, number 5. One of the mandatory climate-related metrics that entities must disclose under ISB standard in Nigeria is greenhouse gas emission, scope 1 to 3. That was correct because reporting emissions is a core requirement under ISSB standards. Okay, so that's good. Our performance was fabulous. AA, 100% understanding of the subject. AO2, 100% understanding. EO, 80%. SG, 80%. No, SG got, yes, SG, 80%. And TT, 100%, 100%. Good results. It shows we understood the subject very practically. All right. So, ladies and gentlemen, that will be the end of our conversation.